अथ श्री साई सच्चरित अध्याय 21. Chapter 21. Bestowing Grace. श्री गणेशाय नमः, श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः, श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः, श्री कुलदेवतायै नमः, श्री सीतारामचंद्राभ्यां नमः, श्री सद्गुरु साईनाथाय नमः. I bow down to Shri Ganesh. I bow down to Shri Saraswati. I bow down to the Guru. I bow down to the family deity. I bow down to Shri Sita Ramachandra. I bow down to Shri Sadguru Sainath. गताध्यायाति कथानुसंधान ठाकुरादिका महापुरुष दर्शन कैसे झाले ते करावे श्रवण एकाग्रमन करोनी. At the end of the last chapter, we mentioned about how Thakur and others had darshan of a great person. Listen to the story attentively now. सायतया वक्त्याच्या बोले श्रवणी जे पडता श्रोता न डोले अंगीचा रोमांचही न हाले व्यर्थ गेले ते बोल. Wasted are the words of a speaker if, by listening to them, a listener is not affected and does not show the sign that he is overwhelmed with emotions and gets goosepimples. जया श्रवणी न श्रोते रिझले बाष्प गदगद कंठ न दाटले नयनी प्रेमानंदाश्रू न वाहिले व्यर्थ गेले ते कथन. A narration is worthless if the listeners are not in an ecstasy nor choked with emotions and if their eyes are not filled with tears of happiness. वाणी बाबांची मनोहारिणी उपदेशाची अलौकिक सरणी जयाची प्रतिपदी अभिनव करणी मस्तक चरणी तयाचे. Baba's speech was captivating, his style of teaching exceptionally good. His arguments were unique. I lay my head at his feet, who reveals something new at every step. न येता दैव उदयासी गाठी न पडे साधु संताशी तो जवळ असता उषापाशी पापराशीस दिसेना. One can never be able to meet a holy man till fortune smiles on him. Even if such a person is very close, a sinful person is unable to discover him. या प्रमेयाच्या सिद्धतेसी न लगे जावे देशी विदेशी मीच माझिया अनुभवासी श्रोतियासी कथितो की. There is no need to go far to find proof of this axiom because I am going to tell you about my own experience. पीर मौलाना नामे प्रसिद्ध होते वांद्रे शहरी सिद्ध हिंदू पारशी परधर्मी प्रबुद्ध घेती शुद्ध दर्शन ते. There was a famous saint called Peer Maulana who was residing at Bandra. Hindus, Parsis and learned men from other religions used to come to take the darshan of that pure soul. मी ते शहरचा न्यायाधीश मुजावर तयाचा नाम इनूस पाठ पुरविली रात्रंदिवस यावया दर्शनास तयाने. I was a magistrate of that place. His Muzawar by name Inus tried indefatigably to persuade me to come for darshan. हजारो लोक तेथे यावे तिमर्थ आपण तेथे जावे भीडे भाडेच्या भरी भरावे आचवावे निज लौकिका. Thousands of people come there. Why should I go there on account of the pressure and spoil my name? ऐसे काही मनी भावावे दर्शनास कधीही न जावे आपणची आपल्या छायेस भ्यावे दुर्दैव यावे आडवे. Some such thoughts came to me and I never went for the darshan. I was, as it were, afraid of my own shadow and somehow ill luck came in the way. ऐसी कित्येक वर्षे गेली तेथून पुढे बदली झाली पुढे जेव्हा ती वेळ आली शिर्डी जोडिली अखंड. Many years passed. Thereafter, I was transferred from there. Later, when the opportune time came, I became attached to Shirdi for all times.